What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in our previous video I showed you how you can create a token and verify it on BSC scan. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can provide liquidity for your token and make it tradable on the market. So without more further ado, let's get on the video. So the first thing I want you to do, I want you to head over to PancakeSwap.finance. Okay, PancakeSwap.finance. So when we head over to PancakeSwap.finance, we're going to head over to trade. We're going to navigate to liquidity. So let's select this. Okay, so as you can see, we're getting this error that we should connect a wallet. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we're going to connect our MetaMask wallet. Okay, so we're just going to select here. Okay, I have a video on how to add MetaMask wallet. I also have a video on how to add Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet. So for the purpose of this video, I created a token using the Binance Smart Chain and I'm going to provide liquidity using BNB. So I already have a video how you can add Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so just pause this video, go back and watch the previous video. Okay, so now we are going to connect our wallet to PancakeSwap. Okay, /liquidity. So we're going to click on connect. We're going to select MetaMask. So as you can see, it's loading. Okay, so as you can see, no liquidity found, don't see a pool. Okay, so we're going to select add liquidity. Here we're going to select BNB. Okay, then we are going to copy our contract address and we're going to paste it here. As you can see, it's already added. Okay, so we're getting this warning that we are the first liquidity provider. Okay, so if you create a token and you're providing liquidity for the first time, this is actually good. It means you're the first liquidity provider. Okay, so I'm going to provide 0.1 BNB. You can also select max, okay, if you want to provide all the liquidity. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, let's just supply. So once that is done, we're going to enable Horizon. Okay, as you can see, our MetaMask will pop up to confirm. Okay, so we're going to hit confirm. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below or head over to konvati.com/contact. Also guys, if you need help providing liquidity for your token or you need help getting your token listed on different decentralized exchange, just head over to konvati.com/contact. You will be directed to me. Okay, so just let me know that you need help with the following issues. Then I'm going to click on supply, create pool and supply. So our MetaMask will pop up and I'm going to hit confirm. So transaction submitted. Okay, and so we're going to select close. So as you guys, you can see we have successfully provided liquidity for our token on BSC scan. So what I want us to do now, let's head over to PoolCoin. Okay, so we're over to poolcoin.app/token/your contract address. Okay, so let me just refresh this. As you can see, before I was getting this error, supported LP does not exist for this token. That's because it has no liquidity provider. So let's just refresh this page. So here now you can see that our token is now tradable. Horizon /BNB. As you can see, some bots has already purchased the token. It bought 0.6 cents, it bought $3, it bought 0.6 cents, and it bought 0.6 cents. Okay, so as you can see, the token is already being tradable on the market. Okay, so that's it guys. Now next video I'll be showing you how you can log your liquidity, how you can create your own exchange, and how you can also enable other people provide liquidity for your token. Okay, so that's to increase the market cap and increase the value of your token. Okay, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below or head over to konvati.com/contact. Also guys, if you need help providing liquidity for your token or you need help getting your token listed on different decentralized exchange, just head over to konvati.com/contact. You will be directed to me. Okay, so just let me know that you need help with the following issues. Alright guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give this video a thumbs down, but let me know the reason in the comment section below. Fearless.